What's up, everybody? 915 Mang here, out here enjoying the nice weather. Hope you guys have been doing good. Just check it out. Nature, Mother Nature just does a great job of keeping things clean and natural. And it's kind of going to be the same thing about using an algae turf scrubber. An algae turf scrubber is a natural way to keep your aquarium clean. It uses the algae turf to suck up all those nutrients. And guess what? That's what this video is going to be about. It's going to be about a Santa Monica algae turf scrubber. This is the RAIN4, which is pretty cool. It's the larger version of the RAIN2. I've been messing with around with algae turf scrubbers for quite a while, and this one I didn't pay for it. I got it from Santa Monica Filtration. They sent it out to me, and I just want to do an unboxing to see, so you guys can see what's up, see if you're interested, and then follow along because I'm going to make this a series. I'm also going to be giving you an update of the 150 gallon. As I mentioned before, I've most definitely been messing around with the algae turf scrubber since the beginning of my reefing experience when I got into the hobby. But you can most definitely do a DIY algae turf scrubber yourself. I have done the DIY a couple of times. Actually, like this one, the reason I stopped doing the DIY is because of the mess that I made with the salt spray. The waterfall type scrubbers, they do make a mess. And as you noticed, this one comes with a hood, so that way you can go ahead and minimize that salt spray. The important thing about an algae turf scrubber is the screen. The screen has to be really roughed up because the algae needs to go ahead and grab onto it. This one comes with 6 Gem 5 lights. They're already mounted inside of the light hood with 2 power supplies. So let's say one power supply fails, you still got enough with the other power supply to go ahead and run the lights. The good thing about it, it does come with the warranty. The warranty is good for repairs and replacements, no refunds. And that's the 6 lights that I'm talking about. When you do it, you don't want to start off full blast. Uh, to be honest with you guys, I'm probably going to start off full blast. Like I said, I had the other scrubber and it did good. I didn't follow directions at all, and my stuff still took off. If you're the type of person that likes to feed your fish, your aquarium, you like to feed your corals a lot, a scrubber is a pretty good addition um, because it allows you to feed 4 frozen cubes per day. That's a lot of frozen cubes per day. Um, Personally, I feed 1 cube per day, if that. You can do 40 pinches of flake food per day. That's a lot of pinches of food, if you ask me. And it has 40 square inches of nori per day that you could actually feed your aquarium. Uh, like I said, that's a lot. And if you feed a lot of pellet food, you could do zero point 0.4 um, pellet food per day. This is my second algae turf scrubber from Santa Monica Filtration. The other scrubber that I had was a Surf uh, 4 or Surf 2, and I had that on a 180. It did really well, but I did complain because I didn't think it was doing enough because I was having green hair algae. But this one, being the RAIN4, it's going to be more than enough in my opinion. We're gonna see how well it does, but I think it's going to do really well. This is the platform, comes with all the PVC pipes, and it's actually, I don't have to do any kind of crazy platforms for it. It already came with it, so I just gotta set it up and hook up a pump to it. Now it doesn't come with the pump, but it does have a suggested flow that you need to use. I need to use a bare minimum of 200 gallons per hour pump, but a recommended of 300 gallons per hour pump. I'm gonna go probably with the DC pump or see if I can go ahead and plumb it into my manifold. The Where it gets connected, it is 3/4. So go from there. I'm also gonna pit a 1 inch bulkhead because I want it to be a little bit quiet. I'm gonna insert some PVC. I'm gonna do another video when I actually set it up. But as you can see, this has a like double screen, so this is gonna be a lot of green hair algae, turf algae growing on this screen once it's set up. And I'm really excited to use it. I just need to get the pump to get it going. Just remove the cap and then slide out the screen. Go ahead and scrub down some of this turf with like a card or something like that, and I'll be good to go.